In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and customize tables in Google Slides, a straightforward tutorial that will take about 5 minutes. Let's dive into this useful skill that can enhance your presentation significantly. First, head over to Google Slides. You can easily do this by opening your web browser and navigating to slides.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your Google account. An account is necessary to access all features and functionality, so make sure you have your Google credentials ready. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. This is where you can see all your recent presentations and any templates you might want to use. Now you have a couple of options. You can either start fresh with a new blank presentation, or if you prefer, you can select from a variety of available templates. A blank presentation is perfect when you want full creative control, but templates can save time, providing structure and design elements that are ready to go. Once you've made your choice, you'll see your new presentation workspace. Now let's get into the specifics of inserting a table. Look at the top menu and click on Insert. The Insert menu gives you a range of tools to enhance your slide, including images, charts, tables, and more. Select Table from this list. A drop-down grid will appear, allowing you to choose the size of your table. Simply hover over the grid to select the number of rows and columns you need. For example, if you need a table with 3 rows and 4 columns, hover until you highlight that configuration and give it a click. This action places a new table directly onto your slide. Your table might look quite basic at this point, but don't worry, there's plenty you can do to customize it. You can start by adjusting the size of your rows and columns. Just click and drag the borders of the table cells to the size you desire. This helps in accommodating your text or other content comfortably. If you want to change the style or the color of your table, simply select it and then use the toolbar to explore your formatting options. You can alter the border color, line thickness, and even add background colors to your cells. These customization options allow your table to match the overall design of your presentation and reinforce your message visually. And there you have it. You've just inserted and customized a table in Google Slides. This feature is not only handy for organizing data, but also for making your slides more interactive and engaging. With practice, you'll be efficiently integrating tables into your presentations in no time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep experimenting and crafting those incredible slides.